As I wake up, I notice my body feels more refreshed, my joints less stiff, and my mind clearer, all thanks to the gelatin trick I've been doing every morning. It's as if my body has been quietly detoxing and rejuvenating itself overnight, and the gelatin trick is the catalyst for this gentle transformation. My mornings used to be a sluggish struggle, but now I spring out of bed feeling more grounded and ready to take on the day. I've found that incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine has been a game changer, and I love how it's helped me develop a healthier relationship with food and my body. For me, the gelatin trick is more than just a simple ritual. It's a way to nourish my body and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. By making this small change, I've noticed a significant shift in my overall well-being, and I'm excited to continue exploring the benefits of the gelatin trick. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, check out the link in my description to learn more, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips to get you started. Head to the link now and start transforming your mornings with the gelatin trick.